Apple just released a brand new sound pack for Logic Pro on iPad and Mac, and GarageBand for iPad and iPhone, called Eko Soul Afrobeats Pack. This one feels very different from a lot of Apple's more recent sound library releases. While recent packs have leaned heavily into electronic production, EDM and garage, Eko Soul is surprisingly instrumental. There are all manner of sounds here, including saxophones, electric guitars, shakers, flutes and talking drums, and overall it feels much more organic and groove-focused than the more dance-heavy packs Apple's been putting out lately. Though in yet another strange omission, at the time of making this video, this pack is not available in GarageBand for Mac. GarageBand for iPhone and iPad users get a stripped back version of the pack that includes over 370 royalty-free Apple loops. So if you enjoy looped-based production, chopping up samples, or quickly building grooves from live instrumentation, there is actually quite a lot to work with here, and as usual for Apple, all of these included loops sound fantastic. The saxophone loops especially sound ridiculously smooth, and there's a lot more emphasis on real instruments and layered percussion here than the usual 808s, risers, and EDM style drums Apple often builds these packs around. Logic Pro users on iPad and Mac get access to the same loops as GarageBand users, plus 6 drum machine designer kits, 10 instrument patches, and a dedicated live loops grid. And as always, the best way to get a feel for a new pack is by diving into its included live loops grid. The included drum machine designer kits sound great too. Again, rather than focusing on massive electronic kits and modern trap sounds, these kits are built much more around percussion and organic drum sounds. The included instrument patches are mostly atmospheric pads, basses, and texture-focused sounds built around Logic's existing synth engines. Most fit the overall feel of the pack really nicely. Now, while Afrobeat-inspired music isn't something I create personally very often, I do appreciate Apple moving away from the more broad, electronic-focused direction a lot of these sound packs have had recently. This pack feels much more rooted in proper instruments and musical phrasing than kind of viral production styles, and honestly, I'd love to see more of that from Apple in the future. I'm really enjoying these more laser-focused genre experiments that they seem to be putting out recently. Let me know what you think about this new sound pack down in the comments, and whether or not you think we'll see it land in GarageBand for Mac anytime soon. Fingers crossed for that one, eh? If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and the hype button so more people can see it. I really appreciate it. And check out this video next for more info on another of Apple's recent sound pack releases.